Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna look. Oh, there they are. I see them. I see them.
Get him now.
I can't get them.
I don't like the seat.
They're not gonna hurt you. They're just crumbs.
I don't want to touch them. Ah!
How about I put my hand there? You don't have to touch them. Is that better? Okay.
It's an interesting outfit.
Leave your hand there.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
No,
I bet she had those boots that we saw.
don't move your hand.
Okay. You want the duck back?
No.
Here, I'm gonna move my hand for just a second.
No. No.
I can't leave my hand there forever. You look so sad.
Guess what we're getting close to?
Why are you so sad?
What are we getting close to?
McDonald's?
Yeah? Is that what you want?
No, no. Yes, I do.